Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day so far, and we are back with another market outlook. Let's start with the Euro US dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, the price formed this bearish engulfing reversal. It's a sign of a strong weakness in the market. Also, the price retraced almost 50%. It made a lower low. Based on that, we expect a further continuation to the downside. If the price keeps moving lower, the first relevant support will be this one here, and if it continues going down, then the next support will be around there. On the other hand, if buyers step in and push the price upward, the first resistance will be this one here, and if it continues moving upward, the next relevant resistance will be up there. Next one, sterling versus the US dollar. The market is in a strong downtrend. There is a noticeable weakness on the Great British Pound. If the price continues moving downwards, the key level of support is this one here and the next one down there. On the other hand, for intraday levels, you're going to use this one up here, right above the Asian's session high. And the next key level of support will be obviously this one right here. So more bearish than bullish implications on the sterling. We continue with the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. The price earlier this morning during the Asian trading session, and especially at the open, you see it gapped up about 32 pips. Since then, the market remained within the boundaries of this bearish candle, an inside candlestick here, a rejection of the top. That means the market most likely will push further down. This gap is expected to be filled, and it can be an attractive trading opportunity to the downside for many traders. The next key level of resistance will be right up there because it's a strong swing high, and regarding the support, it's going to be this one here and that one there. Based on this chart pattern, the price made a higher high, but we need to sustain the buying pressure. If you measure from this swing low to that swing high and you draw Fibonacci, the gap is around 50 and 61.8 level, and that can be a good level of support. This is the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. The price rallied since last Monday in a bullish run. Buyers dominated this market. Currently, the price is at the key level of resistance. What we want to see from this point is either a strong break and close above the resistance, or a rejection and a close below the support. So if the price closes above this resistance and keeps moving higher, the next resistance area far away about 150 pips. And on the other hand, if the price closes below this support, the next key level of support will be this one here. And if it keeps dropping, the next one will be right there. This is the Nasdaq on the 4-hour time frame. At the open, the price gapped up significantly, surpassed the all-time high, and kept moving upwards. We don't have any reference for a higher price. Every time we see a new high, we consider it as the new all-time high. Usually we see the gaps getting filled, and this obvious gap here can get filled today during the New York trading session, even if not earlier. For day trading, you have to consider 4 hours low as key levels of support. This market is in a strong bullish momentum, so we do expect a retracement and a continuation to the upside. Gold is trading between 4,050 to 4,100 with a lot of rejections happened last Wednesday. The price is hovering around this support. If the price breaks and closes below that support, the next key level of support will be this one here. That's exactly at $4,000. Regarding the key level of resistance, the first one is going to be up there around 4,187. In case the price drops below the $4,000, the next key level of support will be at 3,946. For a change of market structure, we have to see the price closing above the 4,155. This is the chart of the US oil. Since last Tuesday, the price rebounded from $56. Now it's trading around 61.5. It has more bullish than bearish implications. If the price enters a deep retracement, we will find some supports around the 61.8 Fibonacci, which is approximately the $58.7. Regarding the key level of supports are first this one here, second it's this one down there, and third the $55. And regarding the key levels of resistance, the first one will be the 62.9 or 63, and the next one around 65.5. Cooper also tried to push to the upside earlier this morning. It gapped, as you can see here. It has more bullish than bearish implications based on the 4-hour chart. Price made higher highs and higher lows. There is a noticeable gap at the open this morning. The price is likely to enter in this territory, and on the lower time frame, some bullish reversal price actions actually can push the price back up, continuing the uptrend. The end gas gapped up this morning again, but it got filled before the London session. There is another gap. It will get filled maybe this week. If the price continues moving downwards, the first key level of support will be this one here. The next key level of support will be the inside place of the gap. And actually, I see a nice bullish engulfing price action right there. So its low will become a strong support. If the price bounces off and moves upwards, the first key level of resistance will be this one around 4.1, 4.09, and the next one around 4.21. Cryptocurrencies gained some momentum this weekend. The price is trading around 115,000 US dollars. There is a key level of resistance around $116,500. If the price closes above this one, then we will see the price reaching $120,500. On the flip side, if sellers enter the market aggressively, the price will drop significantly, and the first key level of resistance will be around $110,000. And the next key level of resistance will be down here exactly at $103,500. And for those who like to trade the Solana, it broke above the $200 earlier this morning, which is a positive sign. If the price sustains the bullish momentum, then we will see the $210 being the next resistance. Another resistance will be at $224. On the other hand, if the price drops, we have a couple of significant levels right here that can provide support. But if they fail to provide support and the price closes below $188, then we will definitely see the price around $170. These are the market updates for this week. As usual, trade smart, trade with confidence, wait for the price to reach your levels, use time frame correlations to enter the market, and I will see you in the next video.